Just managed to get a bit of a break in the weather, so we've just come down to the beach. I think the weather's clear now. I think we should be in some nice weather again. But it's blown our minds a little bit that it's November, middle of November now, and it's still like 20 degrees. Still got my shorts and flip-flops on. The sea's pretty crazy though. It's mega rough, like the end of the storm.
One of the reasons I was so bad at filming, as you can see from any like videos I've done, especially when I'm like with Elle on my own, they are awful. But I get so distracted. I'm like, look at something and then I'm like, ooh. So apologies.
So we've been exploring the Portuguese supermarkets and stuff, and we see that they have a lot of fish related items. I saw this one and thought, I wonder what it is. Pate, I can tell it's like pate or something. I tried it and it's a bit like salmon paste. I don't know if anyone remembers having that on their sandwiches as kids. It's a bit of a throwback, but this is exactly like it. It's actually really, really nice. Kate bought some mackerel as well. They have a lot of tinned fish, so just trying a few different things while we're here. And this was really, really nice. Right, week 6 is well underway. We've been out with the Worldschooling hub today. We went to the beach, which is about 5 minutes from here, and met up with everyone. Elsa's been playing with a new friend she's made, but then it just started lashing down with rain again. We've had some horrific weather here, like really, really bad storms. So we had 4 days where we've just been in the apartment and haven't been anywhere. So it's good to get back out today and met some new people again. I'm just watching some football. I think it is Portuguese 2nd division, but it's football. I don't care. This is tonight's tea. Chicken burgers. The amazing thing is that they are gluten-free, which is incredible. Really difficult to find gluten-free stuff at home, so Kate found these the other day and we were well excited. So yeah, nice easy tea tonight. So we've just come out on a day out with the hub to the Algarve shopping centre. It's really weird because it's like building up to Christmas and the sun's out still. Right, so we're not in the van so much at the moment. We've been in the apartment. People are maybe wondering, why have you chosen to be in an apartment? So for one, we needed that little bit more space. Mealy needed a bit of space out of the van. Then we found the hub, the Worldschooling hub as well. So that's been perfect. We've had a little base for that. Anything you wanted to say about it?
Just that actually, I think kind of probably moving forward, this is how it's probably going to work. So when we first decided to do this, we were torn between, we were either going to get a van and travel around, or we were going to just get sort of apartments, Airbnbs, whatever. And we decided to go down the van route, and I think we're all really glad that we did, because it's been really, really good. But I think moving forward, with kind of how we want to kind of live our life, potentially, we won't have the van anymore. So I think that we will probably do more of this. And we've actually really liked being in one place and getting to know like one area, haven't we? It's been nice.
Right, just got to the beach. I need to find the name of it. I'll pop it on the video because I don't know what it's actually called. We go to so many of these little places now around the Algarve. I don't know which is which, but anyway, I'll be on the beach in a few minutes. It's amazingly warm, such a warm day. It's probably mid-20s, which is unreal for this time of year for us English. Right, I'm on the beach, and this beach is actually amazing. We've got calm water for the first time in ages, so the kids will be able to have a bit of a swim. I will find the name of it and pop it on the video. I just haven't had a chance at the minute. But yeah, it's a beautiful spot. Just, I don't know what that is across the water. But again, I'll find out. I'm so sorry, my knowledge of these areas is terrible. I just sort of stick Google Maps on and drive. But yeah, this is amazing spot. It was about half an hour from where we're staying, so easily within reach to come back again and have some more beach days here if we wanted to. Right, today is Wednesday. I'm at the point of travelling now where I have no idea what day it is. I have to check the calendar every morning just to see what day we're on. They all just blur into one. But you get to that point when you're on the road all the time. Going for another day with the Worldschooling Hub today to visit a waterfall, I think. I'm just having a little walk with Barney around Pera now, where we're staying. This is just like the little residential part. These all seem to me to be like holiday lets and stuff like that. It's really, really quiet here. There's a few cars about of people that must live here. But it's a pretty sleepy little place, really. There's not much going on here through the week. There's a little like town square and stuff with a couple of bars and a couple of restaurants and a cafe and stuff like that. But really not much more than that going on here. So it's perfect for us. When we come away from the hub at the end of each day, we've got our apartment to go back to and have a bit of quiet after that. So yeah, hopefully the waterfall will be nice. We've been told that it's really, really good. Also, anyone wondering what the weather's like at this time of year in the Algarve, to compare it to what it's like at home in England, now this morning feels like it does in the spring at home to me. I mean, I'm walking around in shorts, t-shirt and flip-flops. I probably wouldn't do that at home in England in the spring, but it's just really nice and mild and pleasant. As well, this is where we've been parking the van, just outside the apartment. We're down a little alleyway sort of thing. Seems pretty safe. Portugal is generally a really, really safe country, as far as we're aware anyway. Sorry, got my camera case. Yeah, as far as we're aware, Portugal's a really, really safe country. We don't have too many worries about the van being parked. There's lots of other vans parked on this little bit of land here where people are obviously either sleeping in them or staying in apartments around here. There's lots of like rentals around here. So yeah, no worries about the safety of the van where we are. Right, we've come out for another day out with a hub. It's literally just 10 minutes from where we're staying, so we thought we'd come down. Just wanted to show everyone where we've parked. We're not in the van, we're just using it as a day van at the moment, but there's quite a lot of vans, there's quite a few vans parked here that I think are maybe sleeping here. I'll put the location in the video just in case anyone has any interest, is down in the Algarve and wants somewhere to stop in the van, because the beach is, just flip the camera around, the beach is just down there behind that big sign. There's a path down to the beach, so right on the beach, and it's a lovely spot. So yeah, I'll stick the location in for anyone that is interested. Thanks to anyone that's watching, it's massively appreciated. Please drop any comments in if you want to ask any questions about what we're doing. Got a couple more weeks in Portugal now, so next week will be a little bit with the the Worldschooling Hub, sorry, and then we'll be doing our own thing for the rest of the week. So yeah, catch us next week on the next episodes, see how our life is continuing in Portugal. See you all soon.